Hey everyone, Tessa here. So I just want to tell you all about this space-saving pant hanger. First of all, I did read some reviews that it was a little tricky to assemble, but it really wasn't. It took me about 7 or 8 minutes, and I put together a video, step-by-step guide on how to assemble it. So if you watch that video, you'll probably get it done in about 5 minutes. This swivels all the way around, so you can hang it any way you want. But you do want to have it so that the rods are coming out on this side, so it's much easier to put your pants on there. Let me just show you putting the pants on there. The easiest way I always do it is just take it, hold it kind of like this, slide it on there, and we'll do all 5, and you can see how easy it is to put it on here, because I also read some reviews where they didn't think it was really easy to slide the pants on or even slide the pants off, but I am here to show you that they go on very easily. And there you go. And then, of course, if you want to save space, then just take off one of these, and there we go. We are saving space now. Look at that. Look at all that space. If you want to grab a pair of pants, you can leave it like this and just slide it right off. Okay, so very easy. To put it back on, it's not easy to put it back on while it's in this position. So what you would do if you had a whole bunch of stuff that was right up against here, and you just got to shove everything over just just temporarily, and then you can just slide the pants back on and leave it like that, or put it back in that space-saving position, and then put everything back over here again. I think this is great. I love it. I am very excited about this purchase.